Hey Gearheads, Jay Leno here, and today we're diving into the fascinating world of remote control models. These aren't just toys, they're miniature marvels of engineering that have been around longer than you might think. The earliest RC devices weren't what you'd picture today. We're talking late 1800s, folks. Nikola Tesla, that brilliant mind, demonstrated a radio-controlled boat in 1898. Can you imagine the crowd's amazement? Tesla's invention used radio waves, a technology in its infancy. This paved the way for others to experiment with remote control. Early models were often basic, using simple on-off switches. But the dream was there, to control something at a distance. These early pioneers were laying the groundwork for a hobby that would captivate millions. The real game-changer for RC models came with the development of airplanes. Imagine the thrill of seeing a miniature aircraft soar through the air, controlled by someone on the ground. Early RC planes were often built from balsa wood and tissue paper, powered by small internal combustion engines. They were delicate, but they flew. These early planes required skill to build and even more skill to fly. Crashes were common, but that didn't deter enthusiasts. The challenge was part of the appeal. As technology progressed, so did the planes. New materials and engine designs led to faster, more durable, and more maneuverable models. The introduction of transistors in the mid-20th century revolutionized electronics, and RC models were no exception. Transistors were smaller, lighter, and more efficient than the vacuum tubes they replaced. This allowed for more compact and sophisticated control systems. With the advent of integrated circuits and microprocessors, RC models took another giant leap forward. Digital proportional control became the standard, giving users much finer control over their models. No more simple on-off, now you could adjust speed, direction, and even complex maneuvers with incredible precision. This opened up a whole new world of possibilities, from aerobatic airplanes to realistic scale helicopters. Today, the world of RC models is more vibrant than ever. You can find everything from tiny drones that fit in the palm of your hand to giant scale models that cost as much as a car. The internet has connected enthusiasts worldwide, sharing tips, tricks, and their passion for all things RC. And the technology just keeps getting better. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, there's an RC model out there for you. So get out there, grab a controller, and experience the thrill of remote control. And hey, if you ever see me at the airfield, come say hi. I might even let you take my latest project for a spin. Just kidding. Maybe. Keep those engines revving.